In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom bordered shape using Canva, an essential skill for enhancing your designs. First, we'll begin by opening Canva. If you haven't already, sign into your Canva account or create one if this is your first time navigating the platform. Once you're signed in, locate and click the Create a Design button to start a new project. Choose the dimensions for your new design based on your specific needs, be it an Instagram post, flyer, presentation, or any other format Canva offers. After setting up your workspace, our focus will be on the left side of the interface where you'll find a variety of options to explore. Head over to the Elements tab. This is a treasure trove of shapes, graphics, and much more to enrich your creativity. For this demonstration, we will select a square shape. Click on it, and you'll see it appear on your canvas. Now, it's time to resize this square. Simply drag the corners of the square to adjust its size according to your preference or needs. Remember, maintaining proportion might be important depending on your project's layout. Next, let's talk about removing the default border color. Click on your shape once more and look for the color option in the toolbar. Selecting this will allow you to choose a new border color or clear it entirely if that's your preference. This gives you a clean slate to work with for the next step. Now, we'll create our custom border. Find and click on Stroke Style, which lets you pick different border styles for your shape. Choose the solid border option for a clear and defined look. Now that you've set your border, it's time to adjust the border weight. This will influence how thick or thin the border appears. A thicker border might make your shape more prominent, while a thinner one can add a subtle touch. If you're interested in giving the corners a more rounded look, Canva offers the option to adjust corner rounding. This effect softens the edges, adding a unique stylistic choice to your design. Simply tweak the corner rounding to see what fits your project best. Customization is key, and changing the border color can add vibrancy or subtlety to your design. Click on Stroke Color, then select the specific color you desire from Canva's palette. Experiment until you find the perfect match for your creative vision. Lastly, to make managing your design elements easier, group your border with the shape. Highlight everything within your working space and click Group. This function allows you to move the border and shape together seamlessly, making it easier to incorporate your bordered shape into any part of your design. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom bordered shape in Canva, ready to add that extra spark to your designs. Happy designing!